We often have survivors call our hotline looking for strictly information on what the legal process can look like. No one really is prepared for what that looks like in the future before something like this happens, and part of our role is making sure that they know of the options available moving forward. We've noticed that once people understand what the reporting process, what the court process, what all that stuff looks like, they feel more equipped to make a decision that feels appropriate for them. Some common fears and concerns when it comes to reporting an initial report come down to a couple things. The things that I hear most often are, the fear of not being believed, or the fear of something being brought against them as a survivor, especially if it's somebody that they don't know very well, but they kind of do know, if it's an acquaintance or a significant other. There are a lot of concerns when it comes to the court process as well. The thought of going to court every month and seeing their perpetrator in open court can be really, really scary to survivors as well. Sometimes there's a fear of legal fees. Just sometimes they say that they don't have the means to pay for that kind of thing right now. There are no legal fees that are in the hands of the survivor. It's not their responsibility. All of our services at Northwest CASA are completely free. They're completely unlimited. So if somebody is interested in having some extra support, Northwest CASA is a great place to start. If a survivor decides that they want to report to the police, but they're not sure if they wanted to go through the legal system, there are ways that they can, try to approach that, and there are ways that we can help with that. Although advocates can't be in the room when a law enforcement officer is doing the investigation process, we are able to be right outside the room. So oftentimes our survivors will pause their interview and just check in with us as maybe a chance to debrief or reset, which has been proven to be really helpful, just knowing that there's somebody out there who is supporting them and knows their rights. If anybody is in crisis or has any questions or concerns about the legal system, I would highly encourage them to reach out to our Northwest CASA hotline. We have really great volunteers and staff members manning that hotline 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, who are here to answer those questions.